Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely. 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons instant yeast. Warm 3/4 cup water to about 110 degrees F and mix with 1/4 cup evaporated milk. Pour into dry mix. Crack in 1 large egg and add 3 tablespoons softened butter. Use a stand mixer with dough hook or knead by hand for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and slightly tacky. Then form into a ball and cover to rest. After the dough rests, punch it down and place in a lightly oiled bowl. Let proof 45 to 60 minutes until doubled in size in a warm spot. Turn onto a floured surface, divide into 12 equal portions, then roll each into a rope for braided shakoi or shape into donut rings. Let rest 10 minutes. Heat vegetable oil to 350 degrees F and maintain 1 to 2 inches depth. Fry donuts in batches, about 1 to 2 minutes per side, until golden brown and cooked through. When the donuts are cooked, use a slotted spoon to transfer them to paper towels and drain for 2 to 3 minutes to remove excess oil. For a classic Filipino finish, roll warm donuts in 1 cup granulated sugar until evenly coated, or prepare a quick sugar glaze by whisking 1 cup powdered sugar with 2 to 3 tablespoons milk and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, then dip. Serve warm. To keep freshness, store cooled donuts in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.